Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add FDM or free download manager in your Google Chrome browser as an extension in a very simple way. What do you have to do? First, you have to open your Google Chrome and then you need to come over into the search option and then here you need to search for FDM extension. After searching for FDM extension, you will get the first website from Google Chrome Web Store. So if you click on that, you can simply click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension, and boom, your FDM is rightly added into your Google Chrome as extension in a very simple way. And now if you download any of your file, like if I just go for Unsplash, if you open Unsplash and if you just try to download any of picture, like if I just wanted to download this picture, click on that, and as you can see, you have got the free download manager is rightly added in your computer. If you click on that, and as you can see, the download has been completed right now. And now if you open the folder, and here is your image is rightly downloaded. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.